Good morning, children. Welcome to Milo Classroom. Right, children, as I told you, today's new topic is blend sounds. What is blending? Mixing, right? What is blending? Mixing. So here also we are going to mix the letters. Is it interesting? Right. So how we are going to mix it and what we are going to get it? Let us see, right? So blending is nothing but two consonants we are going to combine to get all together a new sound, that is called blending. Okay, children? So what is that blending and what all consonants we are going to combine to get a sound, to get a new sound? Let us learn and we'll do some activities also. Okay, so here we have given with some text what is actually blending and what all examples for them. I am going to read for you and explain you. Okay, so what you are going to do? You should listen to me very carefully. Okay, right. When two or more consonants are placed next to each other and they create a different sound, even though we can still hear the sound of each consonant clearly, it becomes a blend. Okay, children? So this is nothing but when two consonants are placing side by side and it is going to give a new sound, but you're going to hear these two consonant sounds clearly. Okay, that is called blending. See here some examples are given for us. They are fl, b, l, bla, s, l, sla, k, l, kla, p, l, bla, b, l, bla, g, r, gr, t, r, tr, b, r, br, k, r, kr, d, r, dr, p, r, pr, f, r, fr, s, v, sw, sp, sp, sk, sk, sn, sn, sm, sk, sk. Okay, children? But when I am saying fl, fl, right? Fl is a new sound that we are going to get. But when you say fl, are you able to hear the sound f and l? Right. So that's what about blending. Even though you combine two consonants, it is going to give a new sound, but you will be able to hear the two consonant sounds very clearly. Okay? Now see, examples. In the word spoon, in the word spoon, SP is the blend sound. Sp, S, sp is the blend sound. So what it is? Sp makes sp, right? So spoon. When we join the sound of both the consonants s and p, we get the blend sp, even though we can clearly hear s and p in spoon. Am I right, children? Right. So when we are joining s and p, we are going to get sp. But you will be able to hear the s sound and p sound, right? That is all about blending. So it is not going to leave its original sound also. Okay? Now we can find blends at the beginning or at the end of the words. Let us read and hear a lot of words and their blends now. Okay, children? So here we have so many examples and this blend can be in the starting of the word or ending of the word. Anywhere you can find. So let us learn more about the starting blending words and the ending blending words. Okay, so here we have given with some examples. Let us read them. See here children, we have two consonants, f and l. So f and l together makes a new sound, that is blended sound called fl. Okay, so here we have three examples with starting blending sound, that is fl. One is flag, flag, flute, flute, and flamingo, flamingo. In all these three words, we have fl at the beginning of the word, and the consonant f and the consonant l together making its a new sound, that is fl. And if you observe these words, yes, they are starting, the blending is at the starting of the word, right? Next, b l, bl, b l, bl. So if you join b consonant and l consonant, what we are getting? Bl as a new sound. And here we have black, black, blanket, blanket, blue, blue, right? So these are the examples for the blend bl. Next, the consonant S and the consonant L, S, L together makes sl. Sl is the blending sound. So what are the examples? Sleep, sleep, slide, slide, slippers, slippers, right? So in all these words, the blending sound sl is at the beginning of the word. And now see here, the consonant C and the consonant L, k, l together makes the blending sound as kl, the new blending sound kl. Now let us see the examples. Cloud, cloud, clock, clock, clove, clove. Okay, now p, l, the consonant p and the consonant l, p, l together makes a new sound, that is pl. So if you combine the consonant p and the consonant l with the sounds p and l together, we will get a new blending sound, that is pl. Now what all examples? Plate, plug, plant, plate, plug, plant. And now let us see few more examples for this consonant blending sounds. See here children, we have two consonants G. We have two consonants G and R. G, G, making a new sound, that is gr, gr. Gr as in grapes, gr as in grass, gr as in green, right? Now the two consonants T and R, the sounds t, r together makes a new blending sound, that is tr, tr. Tr as in train, tr as in trash, tr as in truck, right? So when you join the two consonants t, r, you are going to get a new blending sound, that is tr. Now the two consonants B and R with the sounds b and r makes a new blending sound, that is br. Br as in broom, br as in bread, br as in brush. Br as in broom, br as in bread, and br as in brush. Now let us go to the next blends, that is the consonant C and the consonant R with the sounds k and kr. K and kr. Kr as in crown, kr as in crib, kr as in crab. Right? So, are you able to understand, children? The blending sound we are using directly, right? When you see C and R, the consonants together, you can say it as cr. Crown, crib, crab. Okay? The consonant D and consonant R together with the sounds D and R makes a new blending sound, that is dr. Dr as in drum, dr as in dragon, dr as in dress. Now let us see few more examples for the consonant blends. See here, children, p, r. P, r together makes pr. Pr as in prize, pr as in prince, pr as in prawn. We have two consonant blend, that is fr. F and r together makes fr. Fr as in frog, fr as in fridge, fr as in fruit. Now here one more consonant blend, that is sw. Consonant S and consonant W with the sounds S and W together makes sw. Sw as in swan, sw as in swim, sw as in switch, sw as in switch. Now let us see the next consonant blend, that is sp. So how you will get sp? When you join two consonants S and P with the sounds S and P, you will get the blending sound sp. Sp as in spoon, sp as in spider, sp as in spade. Okay, now let us see the next consonant blend, that is sk. So you will get this new consonant blend sound, that is sk, when you join consonant S and consonant C with the sounds S and K, makes sk. Sk as in scarf, sk as in scooter, sk as in scoop. Okay, now let us learn a new consonant blend, that is sn. Sn. How you will get the sn? When you join two consonants, that is consonant S and consonant N with the sounds S and N. Sn. Sn as in snake, sn as in snail, sn as in snow. Now, sm, 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 sm as in smile, sm as in smirk, sm as in smell. And the next one is sk, sk, sk. The new consonant blend, when you join two consonants S and K, you will get a new blending sound, that is sk. Sk as in skate, sk as in skull, sk as in skin. And for today, the last consonant blend is st. St, st. When you join the consonant S and consonant T with the sounds S and T, you will get the new blending sound, that is st. St as in stone, st as in stick, st as in storm. Okay, children, now hope you understood what is this consonant blending and how you're going to get a new sound when you blend two consonant sounds. Am I right, children? So let us do a hands-on activity. Right. Here we have an activity given with, let me read and explain you. Fill in the blanks using correct blend from the blend key given below. So this is the blend key. Sn, sl, pl, fr, sp, cl, gr, tr, sw, sm, br, bl, sk. So these are the blend key. We are given with some words and the blanks. We need to write the suitable blending sound in front of this word that is in the blank. Okay, children? So let me read. Ain. Ain. So what it can be? Train. Right? It can be train. Tr. So let me write tr. So tr blend sound if we use, it will become train. Train. Now, this is ought. So what it can be? It can be ought. Slot. You can take it as slot. Slot is particular time frame. Now, aid. Aid. So what is the blend sound that we can use here? Sp. Sp we can use, right? So when we use sp, it will become spade. Spade. Right? See here, children. It is ugh. Ugh. Right? So if I use cl blending sound here, it will become clug. Clug. Now, im. Im. I would like to go with br. So it will become brim. Brim. Ash. Ash. So I would like to use sm. Sm blending sound if I use, it will become smash. Smash. Now in the class, we have done 6 exercises, right children? So now you complete the next 6 exercises by understanding the word, the last sound given and which is the suitable blending sound it will go with. Okay children, will you do that? Right. So I am going to take you to the next part of the lesson. Now let me explain you the activity number 2 on this blending sounds. Look at the picture and make the word by using the correct blend. Okay children, we have to see at the picture and identify what is this. And here we have given some blending words. So we need to make a proper blending, that is correct blending, in order to find out this word. And now what is this children? It is broomstick. Right? Broomstick. So what is the blending sound that we are using in front of the word? Yes, that is br. Right? B and r together make br. So this is the right one. This is the right one. And then br is over. Right? The last sound is m. Here we have on. No, it is not the right one. So there is oon. No. So this is oom. So here broom is the right one. So this is the right one. So shall we write the word? Right. Br. Oom. M. Broom. Now, let us see this picture. What is this picture, children? Yes, it is flag, right? Flag. And what is the blending sound that we are using in front of the word fluff? Fluff. So, fluff is here. Then the last two sounds is ag, flag. So we need to identify a and g. A and g, right? So here we have a and g. So this word is done. Flag, flag, right? Now, what is this picture? It's cloud, cloud. And what is the blending sound that we are using in front of the word? It is cl. K, makes the new blending sound that is cl. So, k, cl. So, here we have the appropriate blending sound. Then, out, cloud, out, a, and d. A, and d. Cloud. So, the blending sound cl and the last sound out makes cloud. Right, children? So this is how you can create new words. Okay, children? Now let us get into the lesson. Right. Let us get into the next part of the lesson. Right. Right, children? Till now we have learned blends, that is the starting of the word. Now let us see the blends which is at the end of the word. Okay, so can you see on the screen? And as in hand and stand. Sk as in mask and tusk. As in lamp, pump. Ilt as in salt, melt. Nt as in paint, plant. Ilk as in milk, silk. Id card, word. Ft as in gift, lift. Rg as in park, clerk. Ink as in blank, sink. T as in script, wept. Okay, children, now you understood the blends can be at the beginning of the word or at the end of the word also, right? So, blend is nothing but two consonants together makes altogether a different sound, but you can hear each consonant sound very clearly, right? Now, after knowing all these, let's get into one activity. Okay? Are you all ready? Yes. Identify the blends in the given words and underline them in red color. So here I am using the blue color, children. So let us see. Hand, fish, chain, train, best and sink. So we can take hand end and st and nk. Right? And see here. Strong, kept, slept, shout, punch, thumb. So, kept, slept, and we can take them as blends. And one more example. Scoop, scale, smile, snail, cloud, claw. So we can take op, l, that's all, children. Okay, right. And the last example is lamp and clerk. Okay, so this is about all this is about blends. Okay, now let us do one more activity. Make two words with each blend given below. Here we have 5 blends and we need to make 2 words each. So I will do 2 exercises and rest 3 is your job to complete. Okay children? Here sm, right? So I will write smile, smile and smooth. So the beginning blend is sm, s and m together. Here sp. So I can write spoon, spill. Okay. Then sk. With this I am going to write scoop and scale. So just understand the blend and try to write children. Okay. So I have done 3 exercises. Rest 2 you can do it. Okay. So hope you all understood what is blend and where we can use and how we need to pronounce. Right children? But after my job is done, what you have to do? You should really read and understand and then go and search for a new words and understand the blend, what is that comes under. Okay children, you keep doing that. I am going to see you in the next class. Bye bye.